Hello friends, I Rajput welcome you to my educational channel PVVR Education. Today's our topic is related to the important questions from the topic of solar system. So dear friends, before starting these questions, I would like to discuss with you that what is solar system. Just as we are connected with each other with some kind of relationship, in the same way the solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. It means there are some type of relationship between sun and other planets. Clear? So, dear friends, today we are going to remember the names of the planets of the solar system by a very good tricks so that you never forget the names and the sequence of the planets. So our trick is, my very educated mother just served us noodles. I am repeating, my very educated mother just served us noodles. Here alphabet with red colors are representing the names of the planets. For example, in the word my, M stands for Mercury, V stands for Venus, E stands for Earth, M is here for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and for Neptune. So dear friends, this is very important things. If you remember it, you will be able to solve all the questions. So let's see the pictures of our solar system with the sequence of the planets, that is at 1 Mercury, at second number Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, 5 Jupiter, 6 Saturn, 7 Uranus, 8 Neptune. This is as per our trick. My very educated mother just served us Neptune. So dear friends, from planets 1 to 4 are known as inner planets, and after that they are known as outer planets. So dear friends, let's move to our questions. So our first question of today is, how many planets are there in solar system? I am repeating, how many planets are there in the solar system? What will be the answer? Answer will be the 8. There are officially 8 planets in our solar system. Previously their number was 9, but Pluto is no longer classified as planets. So there are only 8 planets presently. Let's move to the another question. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Again, the trick will help you. My very educated mother just served us noodles. M stands for Mercury. So the answer will be Mercury. Clear? Next question. This is the largest planet of our solar system. So its answer will be Jupiter. What will be its answer? Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Question number 4. This is the hottest planet of our solar system. My dear friends, as per the trick, it should be Mercury, but its answer is Venus. Now you will be thinking, why the answer is Venus? Because the planet Venus is having the gas carbon dioxide, which traps most of the heat coming from the sun, and the clouds layer present in the planet Venus also act as a blanket, which cause greenhouse effect, hence makes it hotter than Mercury. Clear, students? Next question. Which planet is known as morning star or the evening star? Again, the answer is same for this question, that is Venus. Why Venus? Because Venus shines so brightly, that is the first star to appear in the sky after the sun sets, or the last to disappear before the sun rises. That's why Venus is called as morning star or the evening star. Okay, friends, next question. Which planet has the most number of moons? Its answer will be Jupiter. And there are 66 moons on the Jupiter. At number 2, Saturn comes with the number of moons 61. Clear? Question number 7. Which planets have rings around them? Which planets have rings around them? Its answer will be Saturn. Why am I writing planets? Because a ring system around a planet is also known as a planetary ring system. The most prominent and famous planetary rings in the solar system are those around Saturn. But other three giant planets, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune, also have ring system. That's why I have written here which planets have rings around them. Clear? There are 4 planets with the rings. Clear? Let's move ahead with our question number 8. Which is the smallest planet of our solar system? So dear friends, its answer will be Mercury. Its answer will be Mercury. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is just little bigger than our Earth's moon. Clear? Now take question number 9. Arrange the following planets in ascending order of their distance from the sun. Again, our trick will help you that my very educated mother just served us noodles. So as per this trick, our first planet will be Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter. According to this series, our answer will be B. Clear, friends? Now take the question number 10. Titan is one of the moons of which planet? This question comes many times in the examination. So this is very important question. Its answer is Saturn. What is the answer of this question? Saturn. Clear? Now you will be thinking that is it the biggest moon on the planets? No, dear friends, this is the second largest natural satellite in the solar system. It is the only moon to have dense atmosphere. Now you will be thinking which one is the biggest moon. So its answer will be Ganymede. Ganymede of the Jupiter planet is the biggest moon among all the planets. Clear? Now take the question number 11. What is the orbital period of moon? This will be in the days. So its answer will be 27. The moon appears to move completely around the celestial sphere once in about 27.3 days as observed from the earth. This is called a sidereal month. It represents the orbital period of the moon around the earth. Clear, friends? It is 27.3 days. But I have written here 27. So all the answers are correct. Next question. Question number 12. How old is the solar system? As I have the age, you have the age, every person living or everything living on the earth have age. Similarly, solar system have age also. So its answer will be 5 billion years. 5 billion years. The solar system is presumed to have formed at the same time as the sun. That is 5 billion years ago. Next question. Which planet has the most volcanoes? This question is very important, dear friends. So it is very important. You should know about it. Answer of this question is Venus. Clear? Now take the question number 14. Which planet spins backward relative to the others? What will be its answer? Its answer will be Venus. My dear friends, all the planets except 2, move from west to east. But there are two planets in our solar system who spins from east to west. That is Venus. First one is Venus. Clear? And second answer is Uranus. You can also memorize it by like a rhyming word. Venus, Uranus. Venus, Uranus. Clear, friends? Next question. Question number 15. Which planet has approximately the same land mass? This word is very important. Same land mass as Earth. So what will be its answer? Its answer is Mars. Mars is only about 1/2 of the diameter of Earth. 1/2 of the diameter of the Earth. Even then, we are saying that its land mass is as same as of Earth. Clear? Why it is so? Because both planets have roughly the same amount of dry land surface area. Because both planets have the same amount of dry land surface area. That's why the answer is Mars. Not as per according to the whole area, because 70% of Earth consists of water. The remaining part is land. That's why the answer is Mars. Next question. Who was the first person to reach in space? So answer of this question is Yuri Gagarin. First man in space. He was the first person to fly in space on April 12, 1961. His flight lasted for 108 minutes as he circled the Earth for a little more than one orbit in the Soviet Union's Vostok spacecraft. Clear, friends? Let's take to another question. Question number 17. Which is the planet farthest from the sun? Again, the trick will help you. My very educated mother just served us noodles. Last word is noodles means Neptune. Its answer will be Neptune. Clear? Next question. Dash is called the red planet of our solar system. Red planet. Which planet is known as red planet? So its answer is Mars. Why does it known as red planet? Because iron minerals in the Martian soil oxide or rust causing the soil in the atmosphere makes the Mars look like red. Or you can simply say that excess of iron present in the planet of Mars makes it look like red. Clear? Next question. Question number 19. The planet with no moons are. So its answer is Mercury and Venus do not have any moon. Clear, friends? Mercury and Venus do not have any moon. Next question. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach the earth? I am repeating the question. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach the earth? Its answer will be 8 minutes 20 seconds. Clear, friends? Now next question. Which planet is also known as blue planet? Which planet is also known as blue planet? Its answer will be Earth, because Earth contains more than 70% water. That's why it is known as blue planet. Dear friends, we are ending this video here. Hope you have would like this video. If you are new at our channel, kindly subscribe it and like this video. If you can share it, kindly share it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.